Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hello, kids. I am teacher Ollie the Owl. Today, we're going to learn how to count numbers with fish. Ready to start counting? Let's go. First, we have number 1. We see 1 fish. Point 1 is the start of our counting journey. Can you say 1? Next is number 2. 2 is the first pair. We see 2 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2. Can you say 2? Here's number 3. 3 is a group of 3. We see 3 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Say 3 with me. Meet number 4. 4 is the first set of 4. We see 4 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say 4? Here's number 5. 5 is a hand's worth of fingers. We see 5 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say 5 with me. Next is number 6. 6 is a fun number. We see 6 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you say 6? Here's number 7. 7 is a lucky number. We see 7 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say 7 with me. Meet number 8. 8 is a number with 2 loops. We see 8 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you say 8? Here's number 9. 9 is almost at the top. We see 9 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say 9 with me. Finally, we have number 10. 10 is a special round number. We see 10 fishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you say 10? Great job, everyone! Let's review the numbers from 1 to 10 one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! You've learned how to count from 1 to 10. Keep practicing and counting new numbers every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.